Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with a channel first, guys. This is gonna be something we have not done in 4 years of this channel. I have 2 sneaker mystery boxes today, both of them valued at $5,000 each. So that's a total of $10,000 worth of sneaker mystery boxes, guys. 2 boxes over here, and I'm gonna be unboxing both, but one of them I'm gonna keep, and the second mystery box I'm actually giving away, and that is courtesy of SoulSteals.com. So we have 2 different Soul Steals mystery boxes here, $5,000 each. You guys can see over here, this is mystery box numero uno. See that one over there? And the second mystery box is over here on the ground, which is even heavier, number dos. So 2 boxes, and I'll set that down over here. And so this will be fun because honestly, like, I'm gonna be opening up both of them for you guys so you know exactly what you're gonna get in your box. But it's gonna also be interesting for me because that means I'm gonna see what I didn't get in one box. So once I commit to a box, that's the box that I'm gonna be keeping for myself. The second box at that point is gonna be for you guys. So if you guys do wanna enter that giveaway, don't forget to follow the directions in the description below. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow Soul Steals on Instagram, and also follow me on Instagram as well at Untitled Hawaii. And then lastly, there will be a link over there that will take you to Soul Steals where you can finish your entry. You guys do have to be members for this one. So make sure you guys sign up for membership because there's so much things on there, dude. A whole bunch of discounted shoes, opportunities like this where you can win $5,000 worth of sneakers. And they also have raffles all the time for other sneakers on there as well. I've seen like Chunky Dunkies before. I've seen like Jordan 1 Dior's, I think at one point he was giving away. So make sure you guys go get that membership. I'm not paid for this. I actually paid for my $5,000 box. The second box we just sent over as a gift, and I was informed that I'm allowed to give it away. Now the hard part, for me at least, I have to figure out which one I want to keep versus which one I'm going to give away. The only thing that I can go off of literally is just the weight of the boxes. So this one, it's a little less heavy, I want to say, than box 2. Oh wait, actually now they might be about the same weight. Okay, now I'm confused. In times like this of crisis, there's only one thing to do, and that is to consult the wife. So 1 second. Pick a number, 1 or 2. 1? Are you sure? Final answer. Mari said 1, so we're going with mystery box number 1. And I guess that's already set up over here, so let's see what we got. Again, this is going to be my mystery box, so I'm keeping whatever in here, selling it on untitledhawaii.com. The second one we will open after this box, and those will be all of the shoes that are given away to a grand prize winner. So let's see what we got first over here. I like what I see. I like what I see in here. We have a good amount of shoes, obviously. The first thing that I have is this pair of Foamposites. This one is a size 10. It is in used condition though, size 10, and I don't see too much markings on this. There is some dirt that can easily be cleaned. Bottoms obviously a little bit dirtied, but nothing too crazy, and this one doesn't have a box. Good first shoe. Foamposites are sneaky value, guys. They still usually go for at least $100 no matter what, just because their retail pricing is so high. And for some reason the channel has a lot of like Foamposite lovers, so these always go really fast on the website. Okay, so that's shoe 1. Dude, I gotta go through these quickly because we got so much to go over today. The second one is actually a shoe that just restocked, I think, on Nike. And this one is the Converse Off-White in a size... Where's the size tag on this? Size 5.5. What the heck? I guess it is kind of small. So 5.5. This is a canvas upper, so if you were wearing it like a lot, you would see the dirt on it pretty easily. It's actually pretty hard to clean this off. So that's how I know it hasn't been used too much. There are slight traces of dirt though, and there is like minor scuffing over here. So I do think that it has been worn maybe once or twice. Overall though, super sick shoe. Converse, man, slept on. Next one is this completely destroyed Ultra Boost box. Look at this. That's why they call it a beater box, guys. This one is a size 8 though, and oof. Okay, we have a pair of like cream. Are these the creams? I think these are the cream Ultra Boost. I'm not too sure. It is in dead stock condition though, and this one has that StockX tag, so I don't know how it passed verification with that damaged box. Shout out to StockX. Interesting, right? But yeah, you guys can't see this one, size 8, size tag still attached. Honestly, Ultra Boost, super sick shoe, and this is a really good colorway. Box though has seen better days for sure. All right, next up we got this size, I gotta push this back, size 8 Nike Dunk Low women's. This one looks to be in dead stock condition, and I think these are the turquoise, or they're called green glows. Interesting. It's a very like Easter kind of color though, with that pastel green or turquoise green. It's kind of weird. I think on those shoelaces there's like slight like glitter or something. Like there's like these little like white dots. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on camera, but that is kind of throwing me off. They're not normal laces. Bottoms are also super clean because it is DS, so good shoe here. Jordan 1 box, size 5Y. For a $5,000 box, we're not catching too much heat yet. This one, come on, brand new dead stock. Let's go. This one is a dead stock shoe. Thank goodness, man. We got a pair of those black metallic gold Jordan 1s in DS condition. I'm not a big fan of the patents just because when you guys crease these, it creases really, really bad. And I think it looks ugly, but still it's a very like eye-catching shoe. So the first couple wears, you'll get a lot of attention on these. But after that, dude, the creasing does hit pretty hard. But I mean, it is patent leather, so what do you expect? This one, we have 4 shoes left. Interesting. Okay, so on the box, it says midsole flaw. Can you guys catch that really quick? Midsole flaw. Size 10.5, Jordan 12. So Solsteel's helping us out over here, letting us know there's something wrong here. Wow, okay, these are really nice actually. Are these the Jordan 12 wings? I think these are the wings. Where's the midsole flaw though? Trying to look for it. What does it mean by midsole flaw? You know, I'm not sure, guys. I gotta go look at this like up close after the video. I don't want to spend too much time here. But I guess there's something wrong with the midsole according to that note. Unless they're juking me because I don't see it. I don't see anywhere where this midsole flaw would happen. Anyway, this is actually a really cool pair of shoes, the Jordan 12 wings. What's cool about this one is that when you guys rub off the top over here, it does have like a different pattern underneath. The pattern actually ends up being something similar to this on the sole with like these golden wings going throughout the shoe. So that's pretty dope. I will note if there actually is a flaw in this, but I'm not sure where that flaw is so far. But when you guys check out the website, it will be listed over there. Nike SB box, dude, and I'm expecting this one to be heat. This has to be a replacement box, right? It says P-Rod Zoom Air Low. I don't think in a $5,000 mystery box you're gonna be getting any P-Rods. Size 9.5 though. Boom. Hey, okay, so we got a pair of Dunk Cherries, guys. Really nice shoe over here. And this is a really iconic shoe. The cherries, named obviously because of that pink color, but you guys can't see on the tongue. It also has that nice cherry logo. This one looks to be in super solid condition as well. Not even that much toe box creasing over the top. Bottoms, I don't know. I guess there was a sole protector on and they only put it on the back heel. Interesting. Should have very strong value on those. 2 shoes left. This one is a orange Nike box, size 10. Come on, this has to be a replacement box too, right? Ah. Hey. I'm calling these, dude. I'm calling it. We got a pair of white cement Dunks, dude. Very, very crazy. This is a shoe that is super, super expensive now. Goes for thousands of dollars, and I think this one is in my size 10, so I can actually still fit a size 10. But you know, like I said, for the collection, I'm trying not to keep anything we find in mystery boxes. I do want to sell them, so unfortunately these will have to go to a different buyer, which is really unfortunate because this is a very clean pair of Dunks as well. Like very, very clean. I used to have all 3 of these actually at one point, but yeah, this one not too bad at all. There is a good amount of star loss over the top, but I think this one is from 2004 or something too. So considering it is like 15 years old plus, this is a very, very nice shoe. And it has a replacement box to keep it safe, so that's good. Dude, I'm liking it, okay? So far, my box, number 1 box, not too bad. And we got 1 shoe left, which I saved for last because, dude, this thing, look at this. Jordan 1, size 11.5. We know what this box is. I'm expecting a pair of Unions, I'm hoping. Unless I'm completely wrong. Nope. This is a pair of Unions, guys, and this one is the black toe Unions. Man, this is actually really dirty. This might be one of the dirtiest shoes that we've gotten in the box so far. You guys can't see what I mean. It does have like a lot of scuffing over here on the back heel, which is easy to clean. Not too big of an issue at all. When you're looking at these shoes, you really want to check the uppers though. Uppers look perfectly fine. I mean, there is a solid amount of toe box creasing, which is to be expected. Bottoms, still got a good amount of stars on top, not a lot of heel drag. And I mean, with the Unions popping off, the Jordan 4 Unions just dropped again. I think the ones are going to continue to rise in value just because everybody's going to want these, and especially if they don't like restock or put new colorways for the ones. So that's a solid way to end it. You guys can check out the value over here on the screen for the first box. So this is the box that I'm going to be selling on UntitledHawaii.com. All the ones that I purchased, you know, to try to resell and whatnot. So hopefully that value, I guess, is better than the second box, but it really doesn't matter, man. I'm just excited because I get to open up 2 mystery boxes today, and the second one I'm giving away. So again, don't forget to enter. It is in the description. I will move this to the side, and we have box number 2 right over here now. If this thing has like some crazy grails in here, like Air Yeezy 2s or something, I'm gonna be kind of upset, but Mari picked box 1, so what can I do? I can't argue with that, right? Anyway, here we go. Box number 2. This is for you guys. Somebody behind the camera is gonna be winning everything in here. Interesting, interesting. This is hard to say. This is hard to say. There is 1 shoe without a box over here, and I know exactly what these are. These are a pair of the Jordan 3 Safaris that came with an Atmos pack. I know this because I literally just sold one of these shoes. That was a personal keep, and this one is in a size 11, so my size And I think this one is dead stock, dude. Look, the lace bag is still attached over here. You can only get this in a pack with a pair of Jordan Air Max Atmos. That one is the more coveted shoe, obviously, but this one's still pretty darn dope. And it was cool that you could only get it in pack form. These bottoms are immaculate, no issues at all. Wow. And I'm kind of floored. That's a crazy way to start off the box. So far, I feel like I'm trailing. Okay, next one up, we'll grab this. It's a Jordan 4 in a size 11.5. And for this one, yo! Am I just opening the wrong things all the time? What the heck is going on? We got a pair of Jordan 4 Doran Beckers, guys. Jordan 4 DB. What the heck? Okay, well, this one is very, very interesting too, because I think these might be a pair of Jordan 4 Doran Beckers in dead stock condition. Dead stock. This thing is very, very close to DS. I will show you guys under the camera what I mean. No issues on the uppers at all, right? No toe box creasing over here. No chipping on the midsole. And the bottoms, we really got to look at this up close. You guys can help me with this. I think that these were either tried on or it's completely DS, like no joke. The star loss is 0 over here. And these things, even though they're like darkened, you guys can see like it's darkened. That is due to age because these are also from like 2006 or something. So very, very old. Dude, if this is a DS pair of Jordan 4 DBs, I really messed up. Box number 2 is fire so far. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure this isn't the original box for this though. So that would be the only issue, but still, you can't really complain about that, right? 308497. What? This is the original box too. What? Oh my gosh. DS Jordan 4 Doran Beckers. What the heck, man? Okay, I'm gonna put that away. That was probably the grail of the box, so yeah, we'll put that on the side for now. Dude, I'm I can't. Oh, box number 2, what the heck? Okay, Jordan 4, size 13. And I really was gonna say I wanted to pick the second box. I'm so bummed. Look at this. Cactus Jack 4s. What? We just went from Jordan 3 Safaris to DS Doran Beckers to Cactus Jack 4s. I mean, I'm happy, right? Because one of you guys are gonna get all of this, but at the same time, like, come on. I was this close from getting all these shoes for myself to sell, but share the wealth, I guess, man, right? Probably a top 3 Travis Scott drop from me. The colorway on this was really, really sick. I like that it went for like that Oilers look, right? The only issue that I had with this shoe is this blue fades pretty easy, which you guys can kind of tell going on over here. I can't believe it. Those 3 shoes by themselves might be the price of this box, which means everything else would be pure profit. This is insane. Okay, come on, make me feel better. This one is a Kobe box, size 12. And here we have, okay, not too bad. I think these are a pair of the Kobe EYBLs, so eyeball league. You guys can check this one out. Really nice Kobe, to be honest. I had a pair of these as a personal before. Oh yeah, right here. It does have the EYBL logo. So this is a eyeball basketball league. I think that's a Europe basketball league. And this one is pretty darn dope. Very cool colorway, and it is in dead stock condition, so very good to see. Next up is this box over here. Jordan 11 6.5. Okay, and we're just gonna fly through these now. 72 and 10s, very, very clean colorway, very slept on colorway. No toe box creasing over the top. Bottoms perfectly clear, so very cool shoe over here. This one is a size 11 Nike SB box, purple box series, so a newer drop. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Box number 2 was the hitter, dude. We have a DS pair of the recently released SB Supreme Dunk Lows in the black colorway. I'm not even gonna comment much over here. Like, look at this. Dead stock, super clean. What the heck? Yeah, okay, that's probably another $1,000 worth of value. The only issue with this one is that the box is a little bit damaged, but I mean, come on, you don't wear the box, that's fine. All right, I mean, obviously, another hitter, right? Because you can tell from the box right away. Size 9. It's the good one too. It's the Off Noir colorway, dude. So this one is worn. It's obviously another good shoe. At least 600 bucks, I think, worn. This one looks to be in pretty solid condition. Somebody did cut off the tongue, so it is already folded up, not folded down. Bottoms dirtied. Nothing too bad though. Man, I'm just getting depressed. I'm getting depressed. And this last one, damaged Jordan box, but I saw what it could be. And if it is this, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed. That's just Jordan 13, size 13. Please don't let it be too crazy. Oh my gosh, and it's actual shoes. What the heck? These are the Ray Allen 13s. I feel like it wasn't even close. Okay, so I do all the calculations after the video, right? I feel like the second box is beating the first box by a mile, and it was not close at all. If you guys are old school sneakerheads, you guys already know this thing is a freaking grail. Ray Allen 13s, you guys can see Ray over the top. Really sick green colorway on a Jordan 13. This is definitely one of the rarer shoes in this box, maybe the rarest actually in this box, like period. So very crazy. I can't believe it. This box is being given away by Soul Steals, the Soul Steals members. So again, if you guys do want to win everything that was in that box, you guys saw that value, like literally all you have to do is be a Soul Steals member and get a little bit lucky, and you guys will be able to cop. That was probably one of the best boxes like ever opened on this channel, and it wasn't even like open for me. Like I opened it for somebody else. That's it's so frustrating. But I guess that's what makes the video fun, right? Like we literally could have chosen either or. I feel like I chose wrong, but who knows? You know, after you sell everything or keep whatever, who really knows? So anyway, that was really fun. Shout out to Soul Steals for being a huge supporter of this channel, for coming through with this awesome giveaway, and good luck to all of you guys behind the camera, because you guys will be coming up big time. Like if you guys want to start a collection, whatever it is, this is crazy nice to do in a giveaway. I don't ever see this anywhere else. Love these guys so much, and I love you guys behind the camera. So big shout out to Soul Steals. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots.